All right, in this video, I'm going to explain about the Apple trade that I posted on Power Trigger Trade here on StockTwits. It can also be found on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. So you should follow these links. So let's go to the Apple chart here. What you do is you click on it. You click on it again, and what it does is blows up. Basically, I'm going to talk about this trade. I think Apple is set up to test the 120 to 123 area in the short term. However, it's got to confirm. And so Apple needs to break above 110.50 to confirm. I'll be making updates about this inside of Power Plant Trades for the serious followers. So people know about that. But this is what it's got to do right now. And the thing is that a lot of people have been guessing about Apple. I talked about the last time I talked about Apple a lot was here. This move here. Ever since then, it hasn't been very good. We had a little bit of a move up here, and it's just been choppy. I've said a while ago that Apple wasn't good to trade, and they slowly knocked us down. They were playing games, and people were trying to buy the dips and everything. But we just have a reversal signal. Part of my system is to look for when things are in our favor. And if it's not in our favor, we don't bother with Apple, right? Apple, you want to bother with Apple when it's in your favor. And when it's not in your favor anymore, so after this run, we never really had any good movements anymore. But this was where the money is at. And we're kind of set up where the money is at, where at least we can fill up the gap. And we'll see how things go, and we can go a little higher. But my system is looking for things that are in our favor. And when they're not in our favor, forget about it. We go to the next stock that's in our favor, and so on and so forth. And that's the secret. Instead of trying to figure out what the stock's going to do on a daily basis, I look for when it's really in our favor, and then I look to talk about the stock. And now it's looked like it's in our favor to go long if it confirms. Now let me show you where you can see more of my videos. Give me 1 second, please. I have a site, Power Target Trades, where I host my videos. I'm not just about making money in the markets. I have really great plans. I'm also into fitness, and I have a message here if you want to check that out. If you're new to the channel, it'll pop up for new visitors. Subscribe, because all my videos, you can see a lot of there'll be some videos that are for people that want to become want to see my plans, and there's instructions. But the best way is to go through let me show you. I mean, if you like my plans, you want to see all my plans, you want to become a follower on Power Plan Trades. This is step 1. So let me pause here. All right, so here back to the Apple chart. Again, take a look at what I'm saying here. But I think it's in favor based on the setups that I'm seeing, looking at many time frames. And the time has come where if we could confirm, we can get a nice move in Apple in the short term. Now, if you want to really know all my plans and everything, I suggest you go to here, Power Trigger Trade, on Twitter, and see the pin tweet video. And that's step 1 in seeing all my plans. As you can see, the Power Trigger Trade Twitter. And again, I'm about the balance of life, fitness, and I'm a master of that, and health and nutrition. And at the same time, I'm into the plans, very structured plans. So if you want to learn more about me, I suggest you become a follower. Check out that YouTube channel that I mentioned, Power Target Trades. There's a space, so it's Power Target Space Trades. Okay, and you can check that out, and there's a lot of videos on there. But I'll be posting many more videos, so there's going to be a lot of interesting things happening. It's a new YouTube channel I just opened up not too long ago, called Power Target Trades. The market, with this election going out of the way finally, the market, in my opinion, let's go to Power Target Trade. The market is favoring is setting up to go higher again. We got a confirmation, but this market is just like there are stocks that want to go like rally, and there's stocks that are falling apart. So you've got a mixed market, and there's an opportunity for both sides right now. We could still have a very choppy market right after the elections. But Apple's an important stock to watch for, is if it can show power here. Usually when Apple does well, so does the rest of the market. This is just a fact, people. You know, if I open up this chart again, right, and just think about this, when we had this great move, I can tell you the market react was doing very well, and when the market did pretty well when Apple was able to move like this, but it's been crappy for a while. The market choppy, signals not confirming to the upside, a lot of stuff breaking down, more on low volume, but nonetheless breaking down. But now we've pulled back a lot. There's a good chance that there's going to be some good reversal plays, and Apple being one very important one to watch. So there you have it, people. Check out all my information on Power Trick or Trade, and check out Power Target Trades. If you like my plans and you want to see more of them, I'm going to be this isn't the only thing I look at, Apple, but if you want to see more of them, check out Power Trick or Trade on Twitter. See the video and take it from the step by steps from there. Thanks for listening. Like the video.